Yo, I did not know. What up, y'all? I did not know that White Castle had fish sandwiches, yo. Alright, look. So, I didn't know they fish sandwich would be this small. This shit is small as hell, but it's cool though. I didn't know it came with cheese either. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Alright, so I wanted to put a cheese stick on top of my fish sandwich. But this is White Castle's fish sandwich. It come with cheese. I never knew that. Never knew a love so good. Alright. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Yeah. So what I'm finna do, I like this bread better. I like White Castle bread better than the other fish sandwich bread I had. It's in yeah. Whatever. Alright, so I'm finna dump the cheese stick in the marinara. Take a bite out of both and see how it tastes. Let's do it. It feels so weird holding stuff with my right hand. I gotta get accustomed, more used to doing stuff with my right hand because it feels weird. I'm a full-blown lefty. Yeah. Alright, we're gonna do the fish sandwich first. This fish got more flavor to it. I'm gonna do this. Yup. Might as well. Rub it down with some marinara. I dunk both sides with marinara. It's not a bad combination. Show y'all what it look like. Got the marinara and the cheese stick and the fish sandwich. Yeah. And we got a pickle on there. Let's do it. Bite it with the marinara. Let's do it. Yeah. Man, this fish is coming apart. I thought of this when I was at work today. I'm like, man, I wonder what it tastes like to put my fish and cheese sticks together. Not bad at all. y'all know do it like that. Got the H2O. Excuse me. I don't know why I thought they fish sandwich would be bigger than what I got, knowing that they sliders is all the same size. I like their cheese sticks. I think the last time I had some White Castles, besides having cheese sticks, like a month ago, I'm gonna say it's been like 6-7 years. At the crib. Little piece of fish. Good food make me happy. I still got a cheese stick left in this sandwich. That was a cheese stick, a pickle, fish, and bread. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. The texture of the fish look like real fish. It might be cod, but it's good cod. And I'm getting full off this little combo, yo. That was delicious. I'll see y'all in the next video.